What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm heading over to Osceola Speed Tires to get my alignment done. If you've been watching a few of my previous videos, I kind of talked about it a little bit, but my alignment is thrown way off. I hit a crazy pothole, and after that, my steering wheel kind of turns a little to the right in order to go straight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead back over to Osceola Speed Tires to get it taken care of. I actually haven't had my alignment done in probably 9 or 10 months or so, so it definitely lasted a good amount of time. But that dip was so hard, like the camera for the backup camera actually fell down as well. So the crazy part is I didn't even see it. Like, even when I looked at the back, the rear view and everything, I didn't see the actual pothole that I hit. But hopefully that's the case. I've been monitoring the tire, didn't seem to lose any air or anything like that, so that's a good sign. But we'll go ahead and head on over there. It's definitely been feeling terrible. Before we went to the Ace Cafe meet for the Central Florida Z Club, as we were driving, I was like, I didn't feel confident enough to drive back to where we were and then go to the meet, especially on I-4. So what I ended up doing is just parking the car, having a ride with the homies. Actually, I drove homie Luis's car there, and then on the way back I drove the homie Ryan's car just to get a test for the Maxima as well. But enough of that, let's go ahead and head on over to Osceola Speed Tires and see what's up. Alright, so just pulling up. I did have the car sitting for a few days since the last time I drove it. The actual there was, let me take this mask off, there was a sensor, the slip light indicator that was on originally, and that was turned off when I got in the car the last time. So that was still off, but with me having the wheel completely straight, you see how it's sitting. Let me go ahead and go in, talk to the guys, get checked in, and we'll go from there. So hang tight. Alright, going in. They done got the ramps ready and everything. I didn't think I was that low. It never feels that low, but then they do have a dip there too, so that will add to it. Looks like it needs some help. Alright. So I was able to get the one ramp back up and they got him up, so that worked. But shouldn't take too long since we're already in. They work pretty fast here, so. They got a collision shop next door. Look like that was a nice little project. Nice, that's dope. SVT, I believe. But yeah, so one thing I love about the shop is they're able to work even with the car being low and the wheels, they can still work on it with no issues. They're the ones that did the alignment last time too. So they worked pretty quick. My appointment is at 3. I showed up a little bit early and they got me in already. They pulled in, it was about 2:45. So they'll be able to get it done pretty good. Cannot wait, because it was feeling horrible. I did not even want to drive it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention, by the time this video is uploaded, my side company may be released, or maybe soon. If it is, the description will be down below. I'm going to be selling merch, not just for me and the channel. I'll be doing some more stuff. Mostly going to focus on t-shirts, masks. I'm gonna start doing hats too. I'm just trying to do it right, because you know I got to do the new era hats. Like, I could do the cheaper hats, but I'm trying to don't know if I want to stay away from them, but I don't want that to be the first hats I release. I got to get New Era first, because you know how I rock with New Era. But if you guys are interested in cheaper hats, let me know, because New Eras, they're probably going to be 35 to 40. The cheaper hats, of course, would be cheaper, but yeah, I know a lot of the people who was rocking with me was in the hat groups and stuff, and they rock with New Era. But with the car people, they might not. They just want to support. So definitely let me know what you guys are interested in on that side. But yeah, the company will be coming out soon. I'm gonna start up a whole new Instagram for just the company itself. I'm gonna have a website as well, so you don't have to DM for orders or anything. It'll be handled straight through the website. But yeah, enough about that. I'll do a full video for that as well once it's time. But let's check on the status. It's going up. Yeah, last time I had that slip light indicator on, that was basically indicating that I did need to get my alignment, because the steering wheel was not straight to go straight, so that was a big issue. So it's dope. Like, I like how he just straight up asked me, like, hey, how you want your Camry? You trying to get good content with the road, trying to go for a look? Like, straight up asked what I wanted, and let me know that the back was off as well. The right and left were a little off. The right was in a better stance than the left, so just going to go ahead and match up the rear to the right as well. The front was really messed up, so haven't fully gone over that just yet. Okay, so I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news, well, let's go with the bad news. Bad news is my tie rod is bent, so they couldn't do the full alignment. Now, the good news is the tie rods are covered under my warranty, the extended warranty that I have. So I'm going to be able to get that taken care of at Nissan, and I got an appointment scheduled for tomorrow. And also, more good news is they said since I came here, they did fix the alignment in the back, and since they already saw what was going on, that even though I paid already, that I can bring this receipt back and I will still be good and I won't have to pay again. So that's good. But got my wife in the car waiting and it's not on, so let me hurry up and do that. We're gonna take off and I'll close out the video once we get to where we're going. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so we should be good. Don't have it done right now, and it felt pretty bad still. The tie rod is done, so that explains why it's so bad. So tomorrow I'll be going to Nissan and getting it taken care of, and it looks like it's wearing down a tire already. Alright, so once I get home, stop driving it for the rest of the day, and then take it to Nissan and get it taken care of. Good thing I got that extended warranty gold package, because it said it's covered. Yeah, but other than that, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.